Okay, guys, now I will explain you that what is exchange rate theory. Exchange rate theory explains that how the value of one currency is decided by another. Like, how many Pakistani rupees you need to buy $1. So we have here, if you see here, we have two arrows and two lines. The first one is your red line, this one, and the another one is the green line. Okay, the red line will show the demand for foreign currency. This line slope downward. And it shows that when the exchange rate is high, people demand less foreign currency because it's expensive. So demands comes from import. Import means buying goods from other country, and capital outflow means sending money abroad for investment. While the green line, which show the supply of the foreign currency, and this slope upward, as you see, this slope upward, and it shows that when the exchange rate is high, people supply more foreign currency because they get more local currency in return. So supplies come from export, I mean selling goods to other country, and capital inflow means foreigner investing in your country. Okay, and here we have equilibrium exchange rate. You see, this is equilibrium exchange rate, which means the point where demand and supply curve meet. Okay, so at this rate, the amount of foreign currency people want to buy equals to the amount available. So this is the natural market rate, no shortage, no surplus. So what we understand here, that when demand for a currency rises, it appreciates. When supply rises, it depreciates. Okay, so what that means, if more people want a currency, its value goes up, mean appreciation. If more of that currency is available, its values goes down, it's called depreciation. So what we understand, that exchange rate or sit by the balance between how much people want a currency, mean demand, and how much is available, means supply, just like prices in the market. Okay, thank you for watching.